Good morning, dear students. Yesterday we have recite poem at the zoo. Let's revise one more time. At the zoo. At the zoo, be careful what you say or do. When you visit the animals at the zoo, don't make fun of the camel Hum. He is very proud of his noble bum. Don't laugh too much at the chimpanzee. He thinks he is as wise as you or me. And the penguins strutting around the lake can understand remark you make. Treat them as well as they do you, and you will always be welcome at the zoo. So dear student, it is very important to recite to before we start our question answer. Now we will discuss question answer of this poem. First question: what does the poet want us to be careful about? What does the poet want us to be careful about? The answer is the poet wants us to be careful about what we say or do when visit the animals at the zoo. Question number 2. Why shouldn't we make fun of the camel's hum? Why shouldn't we make fun of the camel's hum? The answer is we shouldn't make fun of the camel's hum because he is very proud of noble bum. It's Noble, noble. What does the chimpanzee think of himself? What does the chimpanzee think of himself? The chimpanzee thinks he is as wise as you or me. Question number 4. What special quality, according to the poem, do penguins have? The answer is penguins can understand remarks we make. Question number 5. What will happen if we treat the animals well? What will happen if we treat the animals well? The answer is if we treat the animals well, we will always be welcome at the zoo. If we treat the animal well, we will always be welcome at the zoo. So dear student, these are the question of this poem. And these questions are given on page number 10, B3. Now we will discuss exercise B4. This is an activity that you will do it by yourself. The animal in the zoo. Prepare a poster to be put on the gate outside the zoo. But they have left some blank in it. Write do or don't in the blank to give the correct message. Add 2 instructions of your own to the list. So the student, what the animal has done, they have made a poster and put it on the gate outside the zoo. What will you do? You will write do or don't when we visit the zoo. This is a poster and you will fill this blank. Okay, what should we do and don't when we visit the zoo? This is your activity. Do it by yourself. Now let's discuss B5. Notice the rhyming word in each stanza in our poem. Fill in the blanks with appropriate rhyming words. Let's start. First, do. We have read zoo in our poem. The zoo word is in the poem. Hum, the answer is bum. Chimpanzee, the rhyming word is me. Lake, make. Zoo, you. So these are the rhyming words of this poem that you will do in your book on page number 11. Let's discuss B6. Suppose we add a new stanza to the poem. Read the lines and fill the blanks with the rhyming words from the box below. This is the box and we have to select words to complete the poem. You have to select word only 2 words. We have to select only 2 words. Do not trouble the relaxing tortoise. First word we have taken tortoise. For he is a peaceful animal and hates a loud noise. So what are the 2 rhyming words? Tortoise and noise. Dear student, let's discuss one more thing which is given on page number 12. It's fun to enjoy nature, but you don't want your fun to spoil and animals' habitat. Follow these simple rules. We should never hurt animals and not spoil the animal habitat where the animal live. तो what rule we should follow, हमें कौन से रूल फॉलो करने चाहिए कि हम किसी एनिमल को परेशान ना करें. फर्स्ट, लीव प्लांट्स वेयर यू फाइंड देम. डू नॉट pick wildflower. Do not harm the eggs, young ones of animals. Keep to the path meant for walking. Never start a fire. Always take litter home. These are the rules that we have to follow. Student, that's all for the day, and you will write question answer on page number 10, not in your notebook. आप एक्सरसाइज क्वेश्चन आंसर बुक में ही करेंगे. थैंक यू. हैव अ नाइस डे.